This is a used 2003 Toyota Camry. It's powered by front-wheel drive, a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include electric trunk, steering wheel controls, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power seats, cruise control, keyless entry, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows, power mirrors. Safety was made a priority with these features: independent suspension, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, child safety locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.